my channel. If today is the first time of crossing this channel, the name is Ekwa Bellissima. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel and comment because it's very important. On today's menu, we are preparing Gari Fortor or Gari Jollof. So let's see our ingredients. These are the ingredients that we are going to use. We are going to start by boiling our meat, goat meat. Yeah? So let me add my goat meat. Add my goat meat. I've already chopped it into cubes. I want it to be very soft, so I need more water on it. You add your natural spices to it. You're adding our meat spices. You can add any spices of your choice. Powdered ginger and then powdered garlic that I'm going to use. Powdered garlic, just a little bit salt to taste. And then half of your Star Cub. Maggi Cub, the shrimp types. Then you cover it and put it on fire and cook it about 30 minutes. But we want it very soft and tender. Because of our gari, don't want our meat to be very hard. So let's wait and cook our meat. Then we start our gravy and off we go. Let's check our meat. That's about 25 minutes later. Let me check it. Yes, a little bit harder, so I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes. At this time we're going to check our meat. It's soft and tender now. So I'm putting my pan on fire and add a little bit of frying oil to fry our meat. Okay guys, we are transferring our meat straight to our oil. Right. We are not going to fry it very deep in. We want our meat to be very soft. So whenever you are enjoying your gari, the taste will be very delicious. Just going to fry it about 5 minutes, then we remove it and set it aside and start our sauce. My meat is ready. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. Don't want it too hard. I'm going to use the same oil that I used to fry my meat for my sauce. I now add my chopped onions. Fry it about 2 minutes. Now adding my curry powder. When you add your curry powder first with your onion, the aroma is very good. The aroma that comes out, it's warm. Then I add my tomato paste. I'm using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And you stir it together. After then I add my powdered pepper to it. This time I not adding any blended item here. Everything is powder, but it also tastes good. Trust me, you're going to love it. Don't forget to try it. I'm adding my powdered pepper. This one is very hard, so I'm careful whenever I'm using it. Then you stir it together. Then you add a little bit of thyme, about 1 tablespoon. Before you add your tomatoes. I'm adding my tomatoes. I'm using 2 cans of tomatoes. The canned one, I've already chopped it. And give it a little stir. Please don't forget to follow this recipe step by step and try it. You're going to enjoy it. Guys, about 2 minutes later, I'm adding my ginger powder and my garlic powder, just a little, the white pepper. Then you give it a stir and you cover it for about 20 minutes. Our sauce, give it a little stir. It's about 25 to 30 minutes. Look how the thickness is. It's now time for me to add my stock. The stock that I just used there, my goat stock. I'm going to add everything. And you leave it about another 5 minutes. Let's see our sauce. Wow, sauce is getting ready. Just look at it. A little bit of seasoning, so I'm adding the rest of the half of my Star Cube and then the Maggi Cube. A little bit of Dialbrodo, and then my meat spices, just a little bit. together. It's almost done. You leave it about 5 minutes, then off our fire. I hope you are sitting back and follow me step by step, eh? Our sauce is ready. So right now I'm offing my fire and let it cool down a bit. The sauce is too much. It's too much for the gari that I'm using. I'm using 1.5 glass of gari. So I'm going to divide it into 3 and then use 1 part for our gari. So I've off my fire. Guys, it's time for us to add our vegetables and then add our gari. So this is the rest of the sauce that we are going to use it. So right now I'm adding my chopped carrots because it's very hard. I'm going to stir it for about 3 minutes before I add the rest of veggies. With a very low heat, don't forget, please. Guys, it's about 2 minutes later. I'm adding my bell peppers. Then you also stir it together. I don't want the veggies to be too soft. I want it crunchy so that you can enjoy it with your gari. Time for me to add my chopped onions and then my cabbage. And also stir it together. Make sure everything has infused with your sauce before you add your gari. Very healthy food and delicious too. Healthy and love you, guys. Before you add your gari on fire, you have to add a little bit of water to your gari and then you mix it together before you add it to your veggies. Make sure you mix it well. Add a little bit water to it. I want my gari to be soft. It's okay now. I'm adding my gari, then mix everything together. Depends of your family quantity, the size of your family. And you make sure you mix it well. After you mix it and you want more sauce on it, you can add it. If you prefer it like that, then you leave it. Guys, our gari Fortor is ready. Just look at how colorful it is. Very delicious and healthy food. I'm enjoying it at this lunch with my Just look at it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, share and comment. Please, I need a comment and then the subscribe. And like it for your girl. I'll see you in our next recipe.